Hello guys, today we're going to go and do a short little lesson on the percents. And when we do percents, we have a bar graph, we got to find a number, make a fraction, and then divide. And helping us today is going to be Stockton and Paisley. They're going to learn how to do percents, so say hi guys.
Hi.
So they're going to be answering questions, helping us, and they're going to do the percents, so like you guys are going to do. So use your calculator, use whatever, do what you need to do to get it done. Alright, so today we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner in this bar graph. So can anybody look at that, Paisley or Stockton? Alright, I'll do Stockton first. Can you tell me how many people picked breakfast?
10.
You look here and it's 10, so 10 picked breakfast. Paisley, how many picked lunch?
5.
5, very good. Stockton, how many picked dinner?
10.
10. So now we're going to make a fraction over here for breakfast. So the fraction for breakfast, so it's what people wanted breakfast over the total. So just like probability, what you want over total options. So how many people picked breakfast, Stockton?
10.
10 people picked breakfast, and make sure you say your answer loud. Out of how many people were there, Stockton, total?
25.
25, good. 10, 10, and 5, and that's 25. So it's 10 out of 25 picked breakfast. And we're going to come back to that fraction after we do lunch. Paisley's going to do lunch. Paisley, how many people picked lunch?
10.
How many people picked lunch?
5. I know.
5. Out of how many people total, Paisley, we're here? How many people total do we ask?
25.
25. 10 and 10 is 20. 25. And Stockton's going to go ahead and set the fraction up for dinner. How many people picked dinner, Stockton?
10.
10 out of how many total people?
25.
Yeah, it's the same total on all of them. Just like your graph would have 10, or out of, I think yours was 50, guys.
This one is the exact same.
Oh yeah, okay. So I think your guys was 50, but this is 25. So now we're going to do what with that fraction? Paisley?
Divide.
Divide. So use your calculator.
Okay.
And you're going to take the top number 10 and divide it by 25. You're going to get a decimal.
Can I do it? I was watching TikTok video like this.
So 10 divided by 25. And tell me what that decimal is.
Okay. 0.4.
All right, so it's 0.4. And now to make a decimal 0.4, a percent, you move your decimal 2 places. So guys, we're going to move our decimal 2 places, 1, 2. So our percent would be what, Stockton? Paisley?
40.
40%. Our percent would be 40%. All right, so now we're going to do lunch. So Stockton, divide your lunch. Clear it. Your calculator. 5 divided by 25. Top number divided by bottom number. 5 divided by 25. And it equals, what's it equal, Stockton? Stockton?
0.2.
So 0.2. So now, in order to take that decimal 0.2 and make it a percent, you move your decimal how many places? How many places? Stop pacing. How many places?
2.
2. 2 places. 1, 2. So my percent would become what, Stockton?
40. 35.
Paisley?
20.
20%. And now we got to do dinner. But what do we notice about dinner? What do we notice about dinner, Paisley?
It's different that it's like
Stockton, you notice anything?
it's 10 divided by 25.
Well, what do you notice about? So what do you notice? What about breakfast?
Breakfast and dinner are the same. But
They're the same. So 10 divided by 25. So it's going to be what percent?
0.4.
Well, what percent?
40.
40%. So now at the end, we're going to go ahead and check our percents to make sure they're right. And the way you check it is add them up. So 40, 40, and 20 add up to what, Stockton?
100.
100%, which is what it should be, 100%. Very good.
It always
All right.
has to be 100.
And it should add up to 100%.
And
So
it
now,
is always.
now we're going to do the iPad and the Chromebook. Now the iPad, does anybody know how many were picked the iPad looks like? Stockton?
20.
20 picked the iPad. How many picked the Chromebook? Stockton?
25.
I think it's 25. It's hard to tell. We're going to go with 25. So we're going to set the fraction for iPad. What we want the iPad over total. So what's the iPad top number going to be, Paisley? Stockton? The top number's going to be what? I don't know why you're thinking. You don't need to think. What's the top number? How many people picked the iPad?
20.
20.
Oh yeah, I didn't know what you meant.
Over total people. What was the total people, Stockton?
20. 40. No. 45.
45. Very good. You add 20 and 25. So the total will be 45. So now we're going to set up the fraction for the Chromebook. So what is the fraction for the Chromebook going to be?
Fraction for the Chromebook is going to be 20 divided by 25.
No. What's the top number going to be?
25.
25. What's the bottom number going to be?
45.
45. Same bottom number. Same total. 25. So now Stockton's going to do the first one. So Stockton, clear the calculator. Let's see.
That's right though.
It's 20 divided by 45. 20 divided by 45. Do the calculator. 20 divided by 45. Equals 0.444.
Four.
Alright, we're going to round that, and that's going to move the. How many places you move the decimal? Stockton? Paisley, are you listening?
What?
How many places move the decimal? How many places move the decimal? Paisley?
20. I mean, how much is? Oh, yeah.
We move the decimal 2 places. 1, 2, which is 44%. Divide the second one, 25 divided by 45.
Okay.
Clear the calculator. Clear it. So 0.55555, which is going to be 55.5, which would round to 56%. Now, if I add 44% and 56%, what would that add up to, Paisley?
It would equal to 100.
100%, which it should. You add those up, it equals 100%. And that's what they should all equal. But anyways, that's what you do. You find a number and divide it by the total options, and you get your percent. So hopefully you guys have a good day. It's just a short little mini lesson. Tell them bye, guys.
Bye! We hope that you're following along with us, and make sure to subscribe.
Subscribe. Let's get us to 1,000 so we can go live. All right?
Yeah!